Now, we don't know if you guys know this, but a lot of people from everywhere around the world, they are already being paid every 60 seconds. And you can finally be a part of that as well. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a very easy method that you are going to be able to do for sure. Now, don't worry or feel intimidated because promise you that this is very beginner friendly and it's going to work on all of your devices. All you need to do is answer questions so you can earn PayPal money. And like we mentioned a while ago, all you have to do is answer questions, and when you do that, you're going to be able to earn real money. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now, we know you guys are excited, so let's just get right into it. Enrollapp.com, that is the website that we are going to be using today. It's actually a desktop version of an application, and we're going to be using the desktop version because it's more user friendly and explaining it will be much easier. But again, if you'd rather use your cell phone, that is no problem at all. So first, you're going to open the enrollapp.com. Then you're going to have to confirm that you are not a robot by completing the puzzle or the CAPTCHA. Then you're going to tick that you are a human in the checkbox. After that, along the video, we're also going to be sharing some tips and tricks that's going to help you make more money. So it says here that the goal of this application is to make the web a better place. Now, we love this website because it's not only beginner friendly, it's also very inclusive. Like we mentioned earlier, the method is free and no hidden fees, whatever. It works on all devices, so you won't even have difficulty in that, even if you're an Android user or an iOS user. It doesn't require a type of degree or field. You don't need to have any experience or skills. Literally everyone is welcome to do this method. Before we continue on, let's talk about how you're going to be earning. So, like we always say, you do have to create a PayPal account before anything else. PayPal is very used a lot of the world, actually, and it's available worldwide, and it is beginner friendly. Now, a lot of the techniques that we share with you, they do require PayPal. So we are sure that if you are an old subscriber, you have a PayPal, but if you're new, go ahead and create one. As soon as you're done with your PayPal account, go back to Enroll app, and then you're going to download that on your phone or your tablet, your computer, whatever it is, it's available. Go ahead and do that. So this is their official homepage, and as usual, we have to sign up and create our account. So go ahead and put an email address that's working, create a password, and once you've done that, you're going to agree to the terms and policy and terms of services. Then you're going to be able to read through that by clicking over here, and you can agree to them just by clicking the two boxes, and that's basically it for that. And as soon as you've done that, you're going to click on enroll. Then you're going to automatically receive a confirmation email, so make sure that you open that up and verify that email. And you're going to have to click on the link that they gave you to confirm your email. Then you can enter in your first name and your last name. Click that you are not a robot. Hit on continue so you can proceed. And as you can see, there is a website that has like a really nice interface. It looks really fun. It's very user friendly and it's very welcoming. Now, we're going to show you a sample so you can really understand and see what you're going to do to earn. First, you're going to accept the challenge, click on that, then click on let's do this. Then they're going to be asking you for your PayPal account because again, that's the way they're going to pay you. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Then you're going to select the languages that you can speak and understand. If you can speak and understand more than one, then you can select as many as you can. then you are going to be given more earning opportunities, tasks, and missions, and since you understand a lot of different languages. After you choose your languages, they're going to ask you for your country code, your phone number, then they're going to ask you about the country of residence. And we want you to know that this website, it accepts people from all parts of the world. And it's actually a very new feature since last year. They were only accepting people from like a certain number of countries, but now they have expanded and branched out. After that, they're going to be asking about how available you are. If you do want them to send you tests as soon as they're available, click on yes, and then you're going to be making a lot more money in that way. Then they're going to ask you to fill up the basic information, your level of education, and we do suggest that you select a higher level no matter what your real status is. Just select college graduate or postgraduate, because the higher level of education, the more tasks and challenges you are going to get. And as soon as you are asked about your job, just select on working on myself, because that's going to give them the impression that you have a lot of time, which will, again, they will give you more opportunities and tasks. Then you are going to have to share your work experience. Just select whatever you prefer, and then you're going to have to tell them that your top job skills are. All you have to do is type in as many as you can, because again, this is going to give you more opportunities, and more opportunities is equal to more money. Then they're going to ask you about how you earn or how you've been making money. Just select on any of the options, and for the yearly income, type in 6 figures or more. Now, we know a lot of these answers, they won't be accurate or related to what's real, but that's alright, because we're just using this to really get our way. So just tell them about your hobbies and your interests. Make sure that you add a lot of those, make an impression. And then there will be questions about your computer proficiency and devices. So just select advanced and say that you spend 6 or more hours online every single day. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. And when you're using more devices simultaneously, it will definitely help you maximize or multiply your earnings. As soon as you're done with that, you're going to click on finish registration. If you followed our instructions, you're definitely going to get approved, so make sure that you do. Next, you're going to click on take me to my dashboard, and that is going to redirect you to your dashboard. And now you can finally start taking the tasks and missions and earn money. All you need to do is answer a bunch of random polls and take a ton of tests, and the money that you're going to be earning actually depends on how much polls and tests you're taking. So it really is up to you. You usually get email notifications when there are tests that come in and are available for you, so always just check in your dashboard from time to time, or your email, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.